Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. Sorry about the echo, but we are here on my gym. So, welcome to my gym. And today I want to show you this pull up bar that this man sent to me for the video. I've been trying it, and I had to say that it could be the perfect addition to your home gym. If you like to work out cardio, if you like to work out core, if you like to work out back, biceps, triceps, chest, everything, you can actually do plenty of things with this device over here that I'm going to show you on a close-up in a few seconds, and of course how it works as well. But first I want to talk about the assembly process. This one right here comes explained with everything that you need to know, and it's going to take you, I want to say, probably not exaggerating, without power tools, it's going to take you about like 25 minutes, no more than that. It is super easy. You just follow the instructions and you will be all set. Let's take a closer look now. So first of all, let's talk about the structure over here, kind of like the frame. It is super stable, and you can see that comes with this kind of like two parts for more support when you're inclining, when you're putting all your weight over here. And it comes with rubber pads both here and on the end as well, in case that you have like a wooden floor or tile or something like that, so it won't damage your floor. I still recommend to do something like this, just to put this kind of a home gym floor over here and kind of like assemble together, just to have more support and more cushion. But this is a really firm and stable structure over here. The middle section over here has pads right here on the sides, and of course right here for your chest or your back, that you can actually adjust. This one you can adjust the let's say not the height, but you can put it a little bit forward or a little bit upwards if you want. Just with this one, it has a knob on the back of it, so let me show you right here. You unscrew this knob and you can move it away if you need, just a few inches or a little bit more if you want. Then you screw it back again and you're all set with the height and the position you need for either your back or your chest. And also had pads right here for a better grip, as well as the pads on the sides. Last but not least, the upper grip over here, the grab actually over here, you can remove it if you want with these knobs over here on the sides. But the best thing is that you have knobs on the back to adjust the height of this whole thing. That you can actually take it from about 60 inches to 86 inches tall. In case that you're a tall person, you can manage the holes over here to have a better height, and just to put it a little bit up if you want, like 86 inches tall. But of course, the best thing is how many exercises you can do, either to work out your chest, your back, your biceps, triceps, your whole core if you want. It's a really good one just to have at your home, for example. And by the way, this one supports up to 400 pounds, so that's actually a lot of weight. But of course, you can do the open arms, you can do closed arms, or you can do inverted arms, like this one, for example. And by the way, you can see that this one is managing my whole weight and it's not moving too much. But again, you can just do this, as you can see over here, and just make sure that you have that grip that you need, either if it is close or down over here. It's been a while since I did one of those. So that is for the grip over here on the open arms for your back. And then you can do the grip over here just to, let's say that you want to train your core, for example. You can do this and just making sure that your back, it's right there on this back over here. You can extend your legs as well, just like this. So you are working out your cores and your abs by doing that. And of course, you also have the chance to do inverted row, like this one, for example. So that is another good one that you can do. But something that is not pretty common to see is to have the grips over here. Sometimes they don't even come with that. So you can actually put this one right here and do some push-ups as well. So that is another good thing that you can do with this fantastic multi-purpose device. So I gotta catch up my breath a little bit, but this one, it is a good one. I have to say, for like a home gym, 400 pounds, super easy assemble, adjustable height, adjustable back over here, pads everywhere, also really good grip, and a pretty firm structure that is gonna be super easy for you to assemble. I'm gonna give it a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.